In a world filled with glamour and overnight success, prepare for a different journey. Discipline is the ingredient, unveils the truth about becoming a chef. It's a relentless pursuit of excellence. This series isn't just about cooking, it's a testament to the vital role of discipline. Each of the 10 short films cuts through the myth of talent, revealing that mastery is built through grit, perseverance, and unwavering focus. As the camera captures the hands of a young cook, deftly chopping herbs with purpose, it becomes clear that every movement conveys a lifetime of dedication. Experience the intensity as we present striking moments, the apron tightening like armor before battle, knives aligning with impressive precision, and early mornings echoing with the determination of a chef. Watch as the one with a burned hand still presents a flawless dish, a display of resilience. Each image pulsates with the core message: discipline is the true chef's secret weapon. Join Chef James on this exhilarating journey. Follow his path and witness the emergence of true culinary artisans. This isn't mere content, it's a code, a lifestyle. Discover discipline is the ingredient.